What's today? March 6th. March 6th, 2021. Me and the boys are back in the mountains for our yearly tradition of celebrating my birthday away from everyone else. This year's definitely the best year, or the best house we've ever gotten. Tonight's got a jacuzzi outside, can't wait to test it out. Everyone's just getting up from last night. Yeah, time to make some breakfast. And then, yeah, get our stuff ready to go hiking to the Smoky Mountains today, National Park. Why are you not using the whisk, bro?
I mean, you don't need a whisk, I use a fork.
Chef Ben. Alright, breakfast looking good. John's making himself a sandwich. Ed's over there hanging out, trying not to die. Alright, boys. I mean, just eat up, I guess, man. I don't know.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Cheers.
Damn, OJ, yeah, damn.
Get some breakfast and then get dressed. We're going hiking. Not sure where, yo, but we'll figure it out. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Jeeves out there just relaxing. Yeah, looks good. Wow. It is incredible out right now. I don't even know, what would you say, 60 degrees? 65?
Maybe 60.
Boys here just chilling. Wow. Oh, I gotta figure out how to close the door. Time to go. We still got about a 30-minute drive. Packing up the car, get some pickups. Yeah. I think everyone's finally feeling a little bit woken up.
Is there enough room for my bag there? Like, is it fine there?
Okay.
No, mine's like, that's mine.
Oh, there we go. I'm not looking. Alright, we're in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Yo, I saw they have black bears here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see a big old black bear. Alright, update.
Thank you.
We stopped at the visitor center. We decided we're gonna go to Chimney Tops Trail. Visitor center, there's half people wearing the masks, half aren't. But they do have cool Smokey the Bear masks. So I got one, of course.
I also picked up a slushie.
Walkie slush. Alright, let's go. Chimney Tops Trail. We're about 20 steps into the trail. There we go, Chimney Tops Trail. Let's go, boys. Wait, what did that say? 0.9. Okay, cool. Perfect. So yeah, me and the boys starting off the trail. Put our masks on just in case. I mean, honestly, to be honest, I just really like this bear mask. So. Wow, yeah, we're barely into this trail and there's already some cool waterfalls and stuff.
Yeah. My senses tell me that you're down to earth, and sometimes more. Well, when we find ourselves and all is said and done and we are dust. Honestly, I don't give a damn. They stand in front of me, and I think I've gone crazy for you. And honestly, you don't give a damn. Can't hear a thing. I think you've gone crazy
Trail mix. I know why they call them trail mix now. We're up trails, alright. We're about halfway up. Not that bad. Not as strenuous as the map said, but we'll see. Maybe it gets more steep from here. Almost there, I'm pretty sure. We gotta be getting close. It's getting a little chilly. The sun's kind of on the other side of the mountain, so can't really feel any of the warmth. Look at that. Let's let those people pass before we keep going.
Damn, that shit bleeding, B.
There you go. Yeah. We're almost there. Let's go on.
How can we never go on?
So close. I can see it. The sun is about to go away though, I feel like. Wait, what? Trail area closed. Oh man. But nah, we gonna go into this thing.
Be careful.
Trust me, everybody, we understand we're putting ourselves at risk. But guess what? We came all the way here. Edward struggled to get all the way over here. We ain't stopping because of a dang fence. We gonna make it to the Chimney Top. Yeah, it's pretty up here for sure. That's the top up there. Wow. John has decided to climb to the top to meet Ed. Debatable decision. I don't really know. But I did take some pretty cool pictures, so I'll show those right now. Camera equipment up here, just my phone, but because it was so sketchy to get up here. But wow, it's pretty nuts up here, I'm not gonna lie. It is terrifying as well. All right, that was pretty crazy. That was pretty fun. These kids made it to the top. It was actually very stupid. I don't advise anyone in this video to do that. If you are, do that at your own risk. It was kind of sketch, but the view is super dope. Now we're gonna head back to the car, head back home. So, I'm just gonna turn the camera off for now. We made it home. It's dark. Man, I look tired and terrible. Edward's actually passed out upstairs. You should probably get him. He's exhausted. We made pizza. We played some video games. Then might jump into the jacuzzi. Actually, we will. We definitely will. Cool. And it'll be a good old boys' night. Hey guys, so I actually am finishing up the edit, and I realized that my outro clip got deleted or is not there. But basically, we just had a long night in the jacuzzi. We had bro time with the family, which is always nice, and we packed up the car the next day and left. But we did take a couple of drone clips of the house and ourselves, so please enjoy those as this video ends. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you want to see more national park trips. And yeah, until next time. See you guys.
The time that it feels right, and when I'm with you, I do not hide. You the light to the night, you my moonlight. You the light to the night, you my moonlight. Let's go to the park and we flying kites. You can come with me and I won't bite. And if I be late, baby, hold tight. I'm hugging you, holding you cold nights. You my weakness, girl, you my kryptonite. You can come with me and you won't fight, as long as you be my bright light.